Why does Bitcoin matter? Hey Crypto Nation, it's Leah Heilpan here with Exodus, and we're going to explain to you today why Bitcoin should matter to you. Bitcoin matters for three main reasons. Let's start with the first reason, and actually the most relevant right now. Central banks have the ability to print trillions of dollars of their local currency. With a never-ending supply, according to the laws of supply and demand, this will inherently devalue the country's local currency. Now, this is exactly what we've seen in countries like Venezuela, for example, where buying 2 loaves of bread now costs more than half of the average monthly salary. This is hyperinflation. With Bitcoin, there is a 21 million limited supply. No more can be printed and no more can be created. This means there's not enough Bitcoin for everyone in the world to own just one, increasing its demand and increasing its value. Over the last few weeks, we've seen the Federal Reserve pump trillions of dollars into the US economy, devaluing the dollar over time. Now, unlike the dollar, Bitcoin can't be created out of thin air. That's why often people call it digital gold. And that is why we're bullish on Bitcoin. Reason number 2. Bitcoin and blockchain technology is putting people on the financial map. Africa and Latin America lack the financial infrastructure when compared to the West. 66% of sub-Saharan Africans are listed as unbanked, yet in 2016, there were over 1 billion mobile phone users. Now, with mobile phone apps like Exodus, the unbanked have access to a digital wallet that they can use to trade and to do business with the rest of the world, using a currency like Bitcoin, which knows no borders. And finally, Bitcoin matters because it's decentralized. It's built on blockchain technology, which we call trustless. This means not one entity owns your coins, unlike traditional finance, whereby your money is in the custody of one centralized entity, the banks. Banks can often freeze your funds, banks limit the amount of access you have to your own funds per day, and many times you have to actually pay to use your own money. Now with Bitcoin, when you use hardware wallets, which we'll get to in another episode, you, the individual, have absolute sovereignty over your own assets. Nobody can run off with all your money but you. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos from Exodus.